Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this mockup on this Figma design. So just go to your plugin section, so search for imockup, then it brings this mockup plugin for you. You can see that you can also choose different varieties of plugin here just using this drop down. You can see different mockups. So just select the one of your choice, but you have to export your design as an image for you to achieve this. After you have exported your image, always export your image in high resolution. So after exporting your image, come to this section and drag file, or you select the image file. So go to your system, select the image file, then after that it has been done, export to Figma. So you export this plugin to Figma. So after it has been exported to Figma, reduce it. You can scale it using the scaling tool. So scale everything to fit whatever design you're working with. So thank you guys, thank you for joining. Even if you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.